In this video we're looking at the picture-in-picture, the PIP options on the DigitalView SVX 1920 LCD interface controller. This is our top-of-the-range 1920 by 1200 resolution interface. It drives a whole range of panels that are preloaded onto the system and selectable by jumper settings on board. It has multiple inputs: DVI, HDMI, ARGB, S-video and composite. And here what we're doing is we're running video through the HDMI from an HD digital media player. Now bringing up the menu allows us to bring in the VGA from the PC. There's a number of different ways to access the menu. It can be accessed through a plug-in interface, through RS-232, or through the network IP system. As you can see, here we brought in picture-in-picture, and it's completely scalable. We can take it from very small all the way up to pretty well filling the screen. Now if we want to change the transparency of that, we can move down to the transparency setting and we can make the background image bleed through the front. Now that's very useful when we come to build things like maybe in a medical system, or we want in broadcast to put screen markers over the overlay, or in a defense application with trigger hairs across the front of the display. Now we can also quickly swap that. So if you hotkeyed on the front of a monitor, you can quickly put the video into the smaller window and put the PC onto the bigger window. And again, by bringing the transparency back up, we get the full image. Now if we want to flip to side by side, we can move up to the size system, and we can put the two images next door to each other in standard format, or we can expand them into full screen. Now with all of these different options controllable directly through the device control interface, it makes for an extremely flexible way of viewing multiple pictures from all the different inputs across one single LCD display. And all of that is built in as standard into the menu and design of the DigitalView SVX 1920.